Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering IELTS listening. In this video, we'll explore different question types, provide active listening tips, and offer practice exercises with real recordings to help you ace this crucial section of the exam. The IELTS listening section includes various question types such as multiple choice, summary completion, and sentence completion. Understand the unique requirements of each question type to effectively approach them during the exam. Practice with sample questions to familiarize yourself with different formats. Active listening is essential for success in the IELTS listening section. Stay focused and attentive throughout the audio clips, anticipating answers and key information. Take notes while listening to help you remember important details. Maintain concentration even during challenging sections. Practice makes perfect. Utilize real recordings to simulate the IELTS listening experience. Start with easier recordings and gradually increase the difficulty level as you gain confidence. Review your answers and identify areas for improvement to refine your listening skills. In addition to these strategies, here are some extra tips for success. Familiarize yourself with various English accents by listening to a variety of sources such as podcasts, movies, and news broadcasts. Develop your vocabulary to understand a wide range of topics covered in the recordings. By mastering different question types, implementing active listening tips, and practicing with real recordings, you'll build the skills and confidence needed to excel in the IELTS listening section. Remember, consistent practice and focused preparation are key to success. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.